Up to now, drones have been flying high and far from obstacles. Today, drones are entering industrial assets to actually interact with the environment, to detect a crack or measure a thickness. This while keeping humans out of danger. At Flybotix, we are more than doubling the flight time compared to the closest competitor. We do this while maximizing the uptime of assets and minimizing the inspection time. So maximizing the uptime of strategic assets like hydropower plants or wind turbines. Today, we are a team of 25 awesome collaborators that developed the ASIO Pro, our solution. ASIO is being used in about 20 countries, delivering value in different industries. And this is just the beginning. This year, we are entering the US market, and we are already experiencing strong traction. We are also developing our next generation solution with more AI towards autonomous navigation. Thank you for your attention.
Flybotix, co-founder and CEO Samir Bouabdallah.